everyone, this is Shell from Shell's Designs, and today we're going to make a whack load of cards for a baby shower that I'm going to. I thought it would be nice to add on some thank you cards for the mommy-to-be. I cut out some cardstock 5 inches long by 2.5 inches wide, and I turned it and I scored it at the 2.5 mark, so now I have a 2.5 by 2.5. Gone ahead and cut out a bunch of random pieces that I can put onto our card base, so I have a lot of colored images already, which I will insert the pictures here and here. I didn't video me actually coloring them this time or cutting them out because I figured you've seen that. Let's move on. Basically going to put this to music and you guys can just follow along. Cue the music, maestro. Ba, ba, da, ba. Kidding. My memory card ran out of space, and so it didn't record this card that we just made. So the last one you saw me working on was this one, which was one right before this. So that concludes our 12 thank you cards for a baby shower gift that we're going to be giving a friend of mine. So we have the s'mores, the animals, the dinosaur, fox, the Jossum, you're the sweetest, owl, the ducks, the bunny. I really like this one, the elephant, the skunk, the chameleon. Alright, so that concludes our video for today. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you'd like to be notified the moment I put up another one. And leave any questions or anything you'd like to say in the comment section. I swear I don't bite, so go ahead and leave me a comment and I'll get back to you. Alright, until next time, bye.